My name is Mark Hentschel, and I am a digital experience architect at Bose Corporation. Bose is using Contentstack today to help do all of our content management. And so our content management is across multiple tools in multiple parts of the organization. And so for us, we wanted to create a single source of truth. In turn, we get those great customer experiences that we see on the Bose website and the rest of the brands that we deliver. Contentstack helps us achieve our business goals by creating a scalable framework. There's a lot of flexibility and there's a lot of operational efficiency that we can actually pull into the system. So there's places all over Contentstack that allows us to really unlock value for the business. When we first started with Contentstack, automate wasn't a thing. It was just a twinkle in someone's eye. And at the end of the day, once we used it and it was available, we were able to replace all of this traditional infrastructure in cloud, but we needed a cloud DevOps team. And that hindered us from being able to scale the way we wanted to. Now that we have automate and we have all these connectors that are very common connectors for everything that we need to connect to, it allows us to do what we need to do. Contentstack, in my opinion, has one of the best customer service partnership interactions that you see in the industry. I love working with partners like this. So Contentstack has done a fantastic job not only creating a product, but also putting a team of people around that are there to help facilitate and achieve that success.